That's what we make it with cooking with Ron today. I know I'm a little tired, but try to catch up on these videos, man. I've been working so much, ain't really have time to put out videos, and the ones I have to edit, and it's a time-consuming process. You know what I mean? Yeah. Anyway, I know what you're saying. Anyway, this is what is this? I call it a food processor. But what we're going to do today is we're going to take some BBQ Fritos. We're going to put some of these Fritos in here. Now I know you're sitting there thinking, Ron, what in the hickory Batman sauce are we going to put Fritos in the food processor? Because we're going to grind it. Uh-oh. Oh, you know something? It does help if you turn the power on. You know something? There is something definitely missing here. Oh, hold on. All right, peeps. Forgot that piece. Now we got to put it back in here. I think that's the right one for it. Yeah, it is. Looks like it might be the right piece. Let's try it again. Okay, that should be good enough. Now what we're going to do next is 1 egg. All right, peeps. So 1 egg, fork. Usually you can do it with 1 egg. Sometimes I don't like to really waste a lot of eggs. So this is going to be the bonding agent. We're now going to take these crumbs, put it in there. All right. Freshly cleaned, washed, boneless pork chops. You're gonna sit it in there, a little rubby. Yeah, buddy. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, dip it into the Frito. All right. And if you just want to make sure that everything sticks well, you can always dip it in again in the eggs and then back into the Fritos again. I call this double layering. This makes sure that the first layer gets nice and bound to it using the eggs. And look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let me show you that. You see that? That is beautiful. Now, I know you're sitting here wondering, Ron, what's the next step? Well, I'm your boy. I'm going to tell you the next step. Oh, boy. I'm having one of them hair days again. Okay, we're going to do it. Make it work with that. The next step is we're going to put this in a frying pan and fry these bad boys. Mm-hmm. And then we're going to come back with a quick taste test. Now, this is going to be, your boy comes up with crazy stuff. Ron's fried Frito pork chops. I did say that right. Ron's fried yeah, that's right. It's going to be delicious. So I'll be right back with you. Look at that, people. Look at that. That looks just absolutely marvelous. Look at that. Beautifully coated thin pork chops dipped in eggs with ground up Frito barbecue flavored corn chips. Look at that. Boy, makes you want to call back to mama, don't it? Look at it. You can hear the blah of the grease that is sitting in. But we're gonna let this cook for a little bit, and I'll be back with you. Yeah, so these are coated pork chops. So I'm going to do. I love this little get together, but I didn't realize until later on. If you open this part up, there's an option right here to turn it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. I didn't know that it was there until I thought the battery had died in it. So anyway. You need to check it. So if you look at, see if I can do it so you can see it. We're doing pork. So a pork is 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. Does that help? Nah, that extra light actually helped. So if you look at there, you can see it. So let's see if this meets at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh yeah, that's way past the safe zone. That's 155. Let's see what big boy over here looking at like. That one's 150. This is 159, and it's increasing. So both of them we know it's at least 145, and that's what we need to make sure everything that this food is safe to eat. Whatever parasites or anything that the meat may have is well past its life expectancy. So it is now time to shut it off, and we're going to move back over to the dining area. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Look at that. Now, believe it or not, that does have a mild smell of Fritos. Let's see what it tastes like. Okay, this one's quite crunchy. Look at that. So, is this going to put a smile on my face or a frown on my face? It does really smell kind of like Fritos a little bit. You know, that's interesting, but it's not bad. Hold on one second. Ronald! Come here. This is really interesting.
That don't smell like straight Fritos.
Don't it?
Okay.
This is I tried it. I did it another way, but this one actually. Tell me what you think of that. It does taste like Fritos, don't it? But what do you think of it? It's not bad.
Oh, not bad at all.
It really isn't. I'm really shocked that. I mean, this one's right here is really crispy, but this is.
I give it like an 8.
You'll give it a. Yeah, this is real. Oh, I did it again, guys.
Definitely tastes better than the chicken.
Huh?
Definitely tastes better than the chicken.
The chicken one, I'm gonna redo the chicken one because I haven't publicized it. I'm gonna do the chicken the way I did the pork. Egg, then grind up the pork skins and then roll it in the pork skins. So what I did, the way I did this, the pork chops, I double dipped. So I dipped it in the eggs, rolled it, dipped it into the grind Fritos, then dipped it in the egg again and rolled it again, then deep fried it. That's pretty good. That's this right here, ladies and gentlemen. Well, have your guests wondering what in Jehoshaphat have you done to this pork? Wow, I'm shockingly surprised. This is the taste I was looking for. Frito pork chops. Oh my goodness. Not bad at all. You give it what, 8? I'll probably have to match you on that. It's right around that area. It is definitely crispy. And got that Frito. If you love barbecue Fritos, boy, this tongue twister on some pork chops. Wow. I'm gonna go sit back and eat the rest of this. But until next time, family, try out this recipe. Barbecue Fritos grind with some boneless pork chops. I've done it again, folks. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Wow.